This is the time of artificial intelligence, and the software I will show you today is the finest example of what AI has to offer. Let's look at this picture. It's blurred, out of focus. This is a very old photo, once again not sharp enough. So maybe you are a professional or a traveler or just a simple selfie you have taken is blurry because of camera shake or not proper focusing. So you are terrified that the pictures you have taken of the bride is out of focus, or maybe you don't have a good high resolution sharp pictures to upload to social media. So there is this software called AI photo enhancer by hitpaw, which can do magic. With the power of AI, as you can see, this software can make your blurry, out of focus, dull photos sharp and professional. So let me show you how does it work. For your information, this software is available free of cost on the Play Store. The link is in the description of this video. So let's start repairing. Let me find the photo I have shown you. So let's see what happens. It doesn't take more than few seconds. I will not speed up this video to give you an idea how fast the software is. There you go, it's done, and here is the magic happening in front of your eyes. The picture is super sharp, detailed, ready to be uploaded or shared with your client. It looks really unbelievable. If you don't believe me, just download this software and try yourself. You can do it free of cost without sign up. So let me show you another picture. What I like most about this AI photo enhancer by hitpaw is, unlike other AI softwares, the restoration is quite realistic, very close to the original picture. You won't be able to tell whether the picture was artificially enhanced or not. As you can see, this very old black and white picture has been enhanced. It's now razor sharp. So restore your old, out of focus, pixelated, low resolution pictures into high quality, sharp, printable pictures. Let me open the photo in gallery and zoom in to show you the details. So as you can see, the hair, the teeth, everything is so sharp. This software doesn't only sharpen your blurry photos, it also repairs them, so every details of the portrait is perfected using this AI photo enhancer by hitpaw. Now this is another favorite part of this software, that is, you can colorize your old black and white pictures using AI. It can detect people, object, sky, trees, and colorize accordingly. So you are able to not only restore and enhance your old photos, you can colorize them. So let me apply this feature on this photo I have already enhanced, and it's so amazing. I mean, look at this picture. The face has got nice skin tone without affecting the dress or the background. So this is the future. Check the description below, download the software and try it free of cost. You can apply these options for up to 2 pictures in every category every day. Here is another example of colorize, and there you go. So whether you are a professional or non-professional, you must try this software and see what happens. I will talk about the subscription fees for the professionals at the end of the video. Now let me quickly show you a few more awesome features like one-click automatic beauty photos. Let's try this picture and see whether it's good enough. So as you can see, the face is now brighter, smoother, spotless. So another great feature included in this same software. Another favorite feature of mine is portrait stylization, especially the first one. So with AI, you can change your face to Japanese anime style. How cool is that? With this, you can edit your portraits in 3D style. It's really cool actually. Try it yourself, guys. This one is called hand painted style. That is, as the name suggests, you can turn your portraits into hand painted pictures. That's pencil drawing. This is how you can add artistic effects to your portraits. It's so beautiful. I like it. I mean, look at the fingers. The effect has been applied very, very nicely. The last one will take some time, but don't go anywhere because this is the best one. As you can see, this picture has been turned into a sketch and it's so perfect. I mean, looks like it has been drawn by an artist. So this is the power of artificial intelligence. Once again, this is the name of the software. Simply search on Google Play Store or simply check the link in the description. It's a definitely 5-star software. If you like it, rate the software. Let me talk about the subscription fee. You can get unlimited access at as low as 145 rupees per month. That is like $1.50 per month if you go for the year subscription, or you can simply go for per month subscription at 290 INR, that is like $3.50. So that's all for today.